Welcome to LyraTech, where we dive deep into the tech and tools that make life better. Today, we are cleaning up with the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. This powerhouse promises chemical-free cleaning for your home and even your car. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's explore how effectively the MC1385 tackles grime and stains. Examining its 4-bar steam pressure and variable control mean you can effectively blast away dirt and grease, ensuring a truly. The generous 64-ounce water tank provides up to 120 minutes of continuous steam, letting you tackle large cleaning tasks without. With an impressive 23 accessories, including floor mops, brushes, and a squeegee, this steam cleaner is ready for virtually any. Overall, the McCulloch MC1385 excels in its primary function, delivering strong steam power and incredible versatility. Next, we will look at how the McCulloch MC1385 handles in practical use, evaluating. An 18-foot power cord and a 7-foot steam hose give you excellent maneuverability, making it easier to clean large areas. The included 2-year warranty and convenient onboard accessory storage contribute to a positive ownership experience, making it simple to keep. Priced at $222, the MC1385 offers a robust package with high performance and a wide range of accessories, providing solid. Ultimately, the MC1385 provides strong practical usability with its excellent reach and thoughtful design, offering good. The McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Steam Cleaner stands out as a formidable tool for thorough, chemical-free cleaning. With its impressive runtime, high-pressure steam, and comprehensive accessory kit, it offers significant versatility for tackling tough jobs both indoors and on your vehicle.